gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. My work in this channel is very simple: to help us save, invest, grow wealth. My main aim is one, to make us all rich, to encourage us so that we save, we invest, and investing basically is investing in the stock market. Today's topic is this: how do I open a CDS account? I get this question a lot. Many people want to know, okay, now I want to start investing in the stock market. How do I go about it? I want to start buying shares. How do I go about it? I want to buy Safaricom shares. How do I buy? Ladies and gentlemen, the first thing is this: open a CDS account. That is the first thing. Open a CDS account. That is the first thing. How do you open a CDS account? Very simple. There are 30 stock brokers in Kenya. Some of those stock brokers are banks. We have like ACB is a bank and is also a stock broker. We have Equity is a bank, is also a stock broker. We have NIC Bank, formerly NIC, now NCBA Bank is also a stock broker. We have Cooperative Bank of Kenya is also a stock broker. So if you go to the NSE website, NSE website, you will find 30 stock brokers listed there. And on this channel, we are working in partnership with Genghis Capital. Genghis Capital is also a stock broker that I recommend highly. Because of one simple thing: they are very efficient, they are technology savvy, and they respond to customers' queries very quickly. And I'm here also part of them. I have a Telegram channel. The link is down below here. You can join. It is a 24-hour customer service where we answer all your questions regarding the stock market. I work in close partnership with Mike IO, and Mike IO is an agent of Genghis Capital. So if you want to open an account, find below the contact details of Mike IO. He will guide you to open a CDS account. Basically, what you need is very simple to open a CDS account. You will need an ID, a copy of your ID, and you will need a KRA PIN, and you will need 2 passport photos. Once you have these details, you can send them to any stockbroker. They will guide you on how to open an account. Or you can send them to Mike IO. The telephone number is here, his WhatsApp number, and his email. You can send this information to Mike IO, and he will give you the forms that you can fill. Once the forms are filled, the processing takes about 3 to 4 working days. Working days. You don't include Saturday and you don't include Sunday. Once the forms are filled and processed and taken to the head office, Genghis head office is based in Westlands, Pusherton Place, Westlands. The forms will be filled, the forms will be verified, whether you are genuine or fake, and all details are correct. Once all the details are correct, you'll be given a CDS number. CDS basically means Central Depository and Settlement Corporation. This is the body that gives the CDS accounts. And so the stock brokers are basically agents that assigns you that number. Once you have the CDS account, then you'll be given the login details. Once you have the login details to your CDS account, now you can be able to put money. The second step, put money in the CDS account. Once you put money in the CDS account, then you are able to buy shares or sell shares from your CDS account. Basically, that is the simple thing. And the third thing you need to do is download Jikuze. G-Kuze app. This is the app that you need to download. Jikuze app. Once you download the Jikuze app, then you can be able to operate your CDS account from your phone. All these things is done online, 100% online. You don't need to see your stockbroker. Just send him the information he needs to open for your CDS account. An ID, KRA PIN, and 2 passport photos. And of course, you fill the form, scan, and send to him via WhatsApp, and the number is given down here. I'm reading a book, Making Money in the Stock Exchange, a book by Robert Leach. Robert Leach also says the same thing. Shares are normally bought and sold by a stockbroker. There is nothing to stop you from finding your own buyer or agreeing with a price with him and transacting the paperwork yourself. Though the law does not stop you from doing so for another seller, this, however, assumes that you can find such a person. The stock exchange is much more efficient in doing this on your behalf. So basically, in short, the stockbroker and the stock exchange helps in finding buyers and suppliers. Ladies and gentlemen, you can also buy shares. You can also buy and sell shares through some accountants or solicitors, though this is usually only advisable if you have to use their services for other purposes as well, such as executorship, trust management, and tax training. Okay, well, this man, he is talking a lot of things that some of them don't apply to Kenyans. But the short and long thing is this: to open a CDS account, to start trading in the stock market, you go through a stockbroker. Some people ask, do I need a stockbroker? Well, that is how the game is. There's no way you can go to the stock market without a stockbroker. Unfortunately, that is how the game is. There is no way to go around it. So you need a stockbroker, and our stockbroker is Genghis Capital Stockbrokers. The link is below. And our agent is Mike Ayo. Mike Ayo telephone number is in the link description and also in the comment section. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. And one thing, join our Telegram group if you are new to this channel. Secondly, please subscribe. Click the red button. Click the red button down here. Please subscribe. Asante sana. God bless. Bye bye.